In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pauses in Elevenlabs to elevate your text-to-speech projects. Whether you're creating smooth narrations or looking to emphasize key points in your script, mastering the art of adding pauses can significantly enhance the delivery of your content. Let's get started with the simple steps you'll need to follow. First, open your web browser and navigate to Elevenlabs by searching for Free Text-to-Speech and AI Voice Generator, or simply type in elevenlabs.io. This platform provides powerful tools to help you generate natural-sounding speech from your written texts. Once you're at the website, your first step will be to sign in to your account. If you don't have an account yet, take a moment to quickly create one. This is important as it gives you access to all the features that Elevenlabs offers. After signing in, you'll find yourself on the Elevenlabs homepage. From this dashboard, you can access a variety of options. For the purpose of adding pauses to your text-to-speech projects, click on the Text-to-Speech option. This action takes you to the feature where most of the magic happens. When you land on the text input box, this is where you'll enter the text that you plan to convert into speech. As you type your script, be mindful of the punctuation you use. Commas and periods are not just grammatical necessities. They play a vital role in moderating the rhythm and flow of speech in AI-generated narratives. A well-placed comma can create a brief pause, allowing your listener to absorb information, while periods serve as natural breaks that mark the end of a sentence. These pauses can significantly impact how your text is comprehended. For example, if your text reads smoothly with appropriate punctuation, the AI can mimic this flow effortlessly, making your content sound more natural and engaging. Experiment with varying punctuation to see how it affects the pacing and adjust where necessary to perfect the delivery. An important tip to keep in mind is to always preview the audio right after you've made changes. Listening to the generated speech allows you to catch any areas that might need additional tweaking. If a particular segment feels rushed, consider adding another comma or rephrasing the sentence to naturally introduce a pause. Similarly, you might find that removing some punctuation can lead to a more dynamic and fluid presentation. By leveraging these punctuation techniques, you'll find that the nuances of human speech, like pacing and timing, are well within your grasp, enabling you to produce compelling and articulate audio outputs. Enjoy experimenting with the richness of speech synthesis Elevenlabs offers as you create projects that captivate your audience effectively.